smart money concepts has exploded in popularity. Using change of characters and break of structures to analyze market formations has become massively popular. And within Market Core Pro by Big Beluga, we can automatically detect these key levels and use them as part of a strategy. So here in yellow, we see a macro change of character. A change of character essentially means the market is reversing. So previously, we might have been in a downtrend, but the change of character suggests, hey, now the market is entering an uptrend. It has had a change of its character. And when we break through this, we are now officially in an uptrend. When you see these markings in yellow, these are looking at the market from a more macro perspective, more zoomed out. However, if we zoom in with these change of characters and break of structures on a smaller level. For example here, we were in a downtrend. We see a bullish change of character, and this means, hey, the market is starting to reverse. Then we see a bullish break of structure, and this means we have broken the previous high, which means we have broken out of the previous structure, and this is a continuation pattern. So here, for example, we have a break of structure detected, and it's continuing the uptrend. And when we break through, there's more gains to be made, and we can enter a scalping position. If we look over here, we see a macro break of structure, and this is referring to the macro trend, of course. We were already in an uptrend. We came over to here, we came down, and then we broke above the previous high here, and we continued on our uptrend, which is very nice to know. It's great to always know the macro trend of the market. But on the more lower micro trend, we had a bearish change of character because the market went from an uptrend to a bearish downtrend on a shorter time frame. And here, we can scalp. We can use these lower, more micro moves to scalp. So here, we enter a bearish change of character, and it's a great opportunity to enter a short position. And we can scalp here. But here, we see a bullish change of character on the lower time scale. And this is mentioning to us, hey, we're going to reverse now, and we're going to maybe continue on our trend on a macro scale. We see the bullish change of character. We can enter long, and there's tons of gains to be made. Here we have a continuation break of structure, and we continue on our way up. So using these signals and combining the macro and micro analysis of smart money concepts can be a massively powerful approach to trading. Using these clean labels on your chart to break the market down and the price action into its components can really help you navigate the market. So if you want to use these indicators within Market Core Pro, you can get these instantly using the link in the video description.